Hello and welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Gold prices in international market are marking their third straight session of record peaks, with December COMEX gold hurtling past $4,200 an ounce, which happens to be the historical levels. Not just this, even M6 gold has surged to post a record high of 1,27,500 rupees for 10 grams of gold. The strength is coming because of expectations of imminent US interest rate cuts and renewed US-China trade tensions, which have fueled strong safe haven demand. We have seen that yellow metal has seen some strong gains in the past 8 consecutive weeks, and it's set for yet another weekly jump if the gains hold. Rally gathered pace after Federal Reserve Jerome Powell delivered remarks on Tuesday that investors interpreted as dovish. Powell said that US economy may be on a firmer trajectory than some expected, but cautioned that a notably softer labor market is emerging. Not just this, even silver prices are hovering close to their recent life highs of $52.50 an ounce, while platinum prices are also where you need to keep an eye on, because year to date the metal has surged 85% and the prices are holding very close to $1,700 an ounce, which happens to be its fresh 12.5-year highs. Oil prices meanwhile are hovering close to its 5-month lows, and it has extended losses from the previous trading session as the investors weighed the International Energy Agency's warning of a supply surplus next year, and also the US-China renewed trade tensions weighed on the demand for the global for the demand side. Brent crude prices have fallen to $62 a barrel mark, while WTI crude slipped below $59 a barrel mark. Both the contracts, as I said, are hovering close to the early May lows. So precisely, International Energy Agency on Tuesday said that the global oil market could face a surplus next year of as much as 40 lakh barrels per day, which is a much bigger glut than it was earlier expected. Copper prices on London Metal Exchange have managed to edge higher above $10,700 a ton. China's consumer prices fell 0.3% YOY in the month of August, while we have seen the PPI, that's the producer prices, fell 2.3%, which has eased from 2.9% drop last month. Now, this data signaled persistent deflationary pressures, stoking the hopes that government will dole out some more supportive measures in the coming months. We have seen that dip in Shanghai future prices comes after the red metal marked the 16-month peak on Shanghai Futures Exchange earlier in October. Arabica coffee is also where you need to keep an eye on, because the coffee has surged to 1-month high, surging nearly 4% to $4 per pound mark, regaining some ground after falling nearly 4.7% last week.